I'm tryna put you in the worst mood. He want cleaner than your church shoes. $1.2 just to hurt you.
Welcome to Motorsports Mania, your trusted source for in-depth vehicle reviews, off-road adventures, and the latest updates from the automotive world. In this video, we're taking a close look at the much-anticipated return of a cult favorite, the 2026 Subaru Baja. After years of speculation and fan demand, Subaru has finally brought back the Baja with a fresh design, advanced features, and the same adventurous spirit that made the original a standout. The 2026 Subaru Baja makes a strong impression right from the start. It combines the rugged utility of a small pickup truck with the comfort and refinement of a crossover, staying true to its original philosophy but with a modern twist. The exterior design is bold and muscular, featuring aggressive body cladding, a wide front grille with the Subaru logo prominently displayed, and sleek LED headlights that give it a confident, high-tech look. With higher ground clearance and functional roof rails, it's clear that the new Baja is built for both city streets and outdoor trails. Under the hood, Subaru offers multiple powertrain options to suit a variety of needs. The base model comes equipped with a 2.4-liter turbocharged flat-4 engine, producing around 260 horsepower and paired with Subaru's continuously variable transmission. For those seeking more efficiency or daily practicality, a hybrid version is also available, combining electric support with the same boxer engine architecture. All-wheel drive is standard across the lineup, which is expected from Subaru and essential for those looking to take the Baja off the beaten path. Off-road capabilities have been enhanced significantly in the 2026 Baja. It comes with Subaru's dual-function X mode, which adjusts power delivery, traction, and throttle response depending on terrain. Whether you're dealing with mud, gravel, or snow, the system adapts in real time to keep you in control. The Baja also features improved approach and departure angles, underbody skid plates, and available all-terrain tires on select trims, making it a legitimate option for adventurous driving. The interior of the 2026 Baja strikes a nice balance between comfort and rugged durability. Subaru has upgraded the materials across the board, offering soft-touch surfaces, contrast stitching, and high-quality finishes that feel more premium than in previous models. The centerpiece of the cabin is a large vertical touchscreen powered by the latest version of Subaru's Starlink infotainment system. This setup includes wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and voice command features. Higher trims also come with a digital instrument cluster, Harman Kardon audio system, and a panoramic sunroof to enhance the overall driving experience. In terms of versatility, the Baja really delivers. Its unique bed design makes it perfect for hauling bikes, gear, or weekend supplies, and an available tonneau cover and in-bed storage compartments add even more functionality. Despite its compact size, the truck bed is smartly designed to maximize space without compromising rear seat comfort. Folding rear seats add to the cargo flexibility, making it a strong option for those who want the utility of a pickup with the comfort of an SUV. Safety is another strong point for the 2026 Subaru Baja. It comes standard with Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, pre-collision braking, and more. Available upgrades include blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and a surround view camera system for better visibility in tight spaces or tricky trails. Overall, the 2026 Subaru Baja is a well-rounded and highly versatile vehicle that successfully revives a beloved nameplate. It offers the practicality of a pickup, the all-weather confidence of all-wheel drive, and the comfort and tech of a modern crossover. Whether you're a weekend warrior, daily commuter, or outdoor enthusiast, the new Baja is worth a serious look. Thanks for watching Motorsports Mania. If you enjoyed this video and want more reviews, news, and automotive adventures, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update.